the app layer people who interacted with Honorable PM yesterday, it was very encouraging that the pivot that they have taken is such a systematic pivot, and that the strength that our IT industry has had over several decades now, that strength is being put to providing AI solutions rather than the old model of having software development. So it was very heartening. All the IT majors, they kind of methodical way in which they are reskilling their people, they are rediscovering their customers, they are re-engaging with their markets. That was really encouraging. When they met Honorable Prime Minister, they shared that they have developed more than 200 models so far, which are very focused, very small, and totally oriented towards solving the problems of one particular sector. I think that is the big learning that so many people today express, that the real value will come from the deployment of AI, getting those productivity gains, getting those efficiency gains. This was very evident in Honorable Prime Minister's interaction with the teams which are developing on the applications and the solutions. Few weeks ago, Honorable Prime Minister interacted with the teams which are developing the stack of sovereign models. Very happy to share with you that the models are in very good shape, and we should be launching those models in the AI Impact Summit. So we look forward to all of you using them and giving your feedback and making them a big success. On the infra layer, again we had very good participation with Prime Minister's roundtable yesterday. So far, we clearly have about $70 billion worth investment already getting into the ground, getting into the execution phase, $70 billion. And the way we see the enthusiasm, we shouldn't be surprised if this number doubles by the time the AI Impact Summit is over. So that's very significant investment which is going into the infra layer. On the energy layer, our robust grid is being recognized by the world today, and our ability to have we have today 50% of our energy, of our power generation capacity is green power. That is being noted, and the robustness of the grid, the diversity of our grid, all the investment which has gone in the grid in the last 10 years, that is being noticed by the world. So we are in a very good shape in that sense, and we will be focusing a lot on talent development. I have discussed with the industry, we have been discussing for last almost 1.5 years what is the right model for developing talent. Many experiments have already gone very well. So many experiments at skilling the people to make them AI ready, to make them able to enable them to use AI in their day-to-day lives. That has gone down very well. The industry has done their own experiments as part of NASSCOM and part of METI's Future Skills program, where they have interacted, they have collaborated with universities and developed programs where very high level of AI skills are being provided to students. More than almost 5 lakh students have been able to get those skills so far. Now we will take it to a next level, and the industry is going to be the main participant in that. You recall how we did it in telecom, where 500 labs were set up in universities, 5G labs. 100 5G labs were set up in universities. And you have seen in case of semiconductors, where 315 universities now have complete stack of EDA tools, and students are designing chips, students are taping out their chips. We'll have a similar model now. Industry is finalizing the course curriculum, We'll have a similar model where now we'll be more ambitious and we'll go to 500 universities where we will provide the AI infra and the course curriculum where students can get very good training on AI opportunities, and then that can become a major talent pipeline for the industry. So this was also decided in the last few reviews that we have been having. Apart from that, we'll also take up major research programs which we will announce in the AI Summit. So that way our program is very comprehensive. And one more thing which I wanted to share with you is the world is taking note of our common compute facility in a very big way. This is a democratization of technology approach which our Prime Minister has very clearly forwarded, propagated in the last 11 years, whether it is UPI, whether it is DigiLocker, whether it is CoWIN, whether it is 5G rollout. All these programs basically showcase the philosophy of democratization of technology, and the common compute is part of that. You should be hearing some good news, some more additions to the common compute stack, and in the coming times, as we more or less close the first part of the AI mission, another 5 to 6 months, we should be going for the AI mission 2, and I will be seeking your inputs on what else we should be doing on a much larger scale in the second version of the AI mission. I'll stop here.